Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are running Google Ads or just getting started, one of the most crucial steps is adding your billing information to your account. In today's video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to set up your payment details quickly and easily so you can get your ads up and running without any issue. So let's dive into the screen. So we are on my screen and today I will show you how we can create a Google Ad account and add the billing information in Google Ads account. So to do that you first need to log in Google Ads dashboard, that is ads.google.com. Once you are on the home page of Google Ads, you then scroll down and you can find the promotion codes, promotion offers that Google gives to each advertiser. So you can choose which offer you want to grab, which offer you want to claim. So let's say if you choose 20,000, there are certain requirements. You will have to first spend 20,000, then you can get 20,000 of free credit in your Google ad account. Similar for other options. So we can go for 60,000, the bigger option, then claim now. Once we are into it, then click on new account, click on create new account, then it will ask you to create the campaigns. So I will give the website, then click on the next button. Then we can skip all these options. If you want to do it, you can do it all those, but if you want to skip, you can hit the skip button. You can then skip the account creation options, click on skip options. So I'm skipping all these options. You can choose whichever suits to your business. So I'm skipping all those options just to, so I'll leave the campaign creation for now. I'll do it once the account is created. So make sure you select the right billing country, right time zone, and make sure the currency is accurate because you cannot change the currency of once you created the account. So it is most important to select the right currency and country. Then click on continue. Once you continue, you then again need to verify the time zone, the currency, and then it will give you an options to create a payment profile. To that, for every new billing information for new account, you always need to create a payment profile. So click on create new payment profile, and then there are two options in profile type. One is organization, one is individual. So if this is an organization account, then you can select organization. If it is a individual person's account, then you should select individual. So for individually, I will for now select individual. Then I will give the name, so then the right address. Make sure the address and the name should be 100% accurate. Then select the state. After selecting this, then hit the create. Once you added the legal name, you then need to add the street address, but make sure the street address should be accurate. It should be the same as your in your billing information. Then add the street address, add the city, add the zip code, add everything. There are some character limits. You will have to make sure those things. Once you added a street address, then add the city, add pin code, make sure all these informations are aligned and most accurate. Then select the state, then click on create button to create this payment profile. So this will take to load up. Then the payment profile is now created. Now you can add your payment methods, like you can add your billing card to this payment method. Then add payment method, you can select which one you prefer. So let's say I have the card, so I will add the credit card. If you have net banking, if you have bank transfer, you can choose whichever option you want to choose. So for card option, add a card, add the numbers, five, then add the card holder name. Make sure the card detail is 100% accurate. If these are wrong, or let's say if any of the information above these are wrong, including the card holder name, your account can be suspended. So make sure the information is correct and save your card. So your credit card is now saved. Then the next option is choose how you want to pay. So you have multiple options to choose from. One is Postpay, one is Prepay. So Postpay means that auto billing. So basically you will be billed on the first of every month or anytime your balance exceed your payment threshold. And Prepay means you will make a manual payment every month, and then the spend will be used from those payments. So you can choose whichever option. If you want to manually add the information, then you can choose prepay option. But if you don't have enough time, you would always go to auto payments. So post pay payments, I will choose prepay as I have time and I can prepay. I can then select the amount and hit the save button. Once I hit the same button, then I will click on I agree, then submit this information. Once the information is submitted, your billing information will start show in your Google Ad account and you will be available to get the Google grant also. So that is how you can add the billing information. Make sure the information you submit during the billing is 100% accurate, and make sure you choose your payment method wisely, whether you want to pay prepay or post pay. Now you know exactly how to add billing information to your Google Ad account. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more Google Ads tips and tricks, and don't forget to drop a comment if you have any questions or need help with your campaigns. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.